Hey, Divine One, I'm so glad you're here for today's Inner Child Oracle card reading. Take a big deep breath with me and ask, is this reading for me? If it is, keep listening. Today, I just asked the question, what does the collective listening to this need to know from their inner child? And we've been getting this card a lot, so it's time. First, we got Cadence Sing, and when she comes out, she is saying, you have a powerful message to share. Let it be heard. I know it might feel scary. I know it might feel like you'll be judged, but the only one you are living for is you. You're the only one that's going to make your dreams come true. So preach, sing it, say it, declare it, whatever it is, it's time. Then we got reverse Nikki safety and security, and she's saying, hey, you don't have to do everything on your own. You might be operating from a place of fierce independence, which can be a trauma response. It's okay to lean into support, even if it's just the support of the divine. You've got to step out of that idea that you have to do everything on your own. Miracles are happening for you all the time, but we have to let them in. I tell my clients all the time, if you have your schedule so tightly packed, your mind or the experience you want to have so solidly and clenched down, miracles can't flow through you. So you have to allow space for support in your life. Then we have No Name coming through. She's saying you're really unplugging from the system. It's really time to branch out and live life your own way from your own authentic soul truth, not conforming. You're really stepping out of the illusion, out of the matrix, and understanding what this life is all about. So way to go. Maybe that's what your message is about. Maybe you're supposed to be declaring to the world all of this knowledge, and you might think the world isn't ready, but the truth dissolves fear. The truth creates space for love. So share your truth. Be brave. Blair Rebellion next. It's kind of like Nikki reverse Blair Rebellion is saying you might be running so far away from conformity that you're actually running away from yourself. Blair is a deep call to come back to center. It's not about conforming. It's not about rebelling. It's finding your own soul's truth and living there. There's not a path to walk down. This is you taking your own foraging tools and cutting through your own path and creating it for yourself. You're not rebelling. You're not conforming. You are living life on your own terms. And very last, we have Xander oppression. He comes out when there's feelings of your inner child that are being oppressed, that are being stifled. So kind of like Cadence Sing here, you might not be fully expressing yourself or standing in your power. You might be feeling like something or someone's taking control over you. It's time to be your own inner authority. Let your message be heard. Let in the divine support. Do things your own way. Find that authentic center and reclaim your power. Things are happening. You have to be the one to shift.